If you're looking to get more subscribers on YouTube, this video is for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and show you the only hack that I've found to date in order to organically increase your YouTube subscribers. I understand how difficult it is to start to grow your channel, and last year mine was growing at a rate of about 50 to 100 subscribers per month, and now I'm growing at a rate at about 23 to 2,500 subscribers per month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one of the main tricks that I found in order to make that happen for any channel. Alright guys, so now I want to show you exactly what I mean when I'm talking about the one little hack that I found that actually helps increase your subscribers. Now, obviously one of the most important things is to have great content, to have optimized content, but this is just a little hack that you can do that is going to make a difference and really help with me. So if we look over, you can see that my channel is now growing at quite a substantial rate. You can see here, 2,289 in the last 20 days, and this is continuing to hover between 2,300 and 2,500 on any given month. Now, a little thing that I'm going to show you here is an exact demonstration of what I'm referring to. If we come to my Instagram and we click the link here, let's see what happens. This opens up. Now again, you don't have to have Linktree, but you can use it. Let me show you what happens when you click my YouTube channel. So when you click this, look at what happens. It asks you to force subscribe. Now, the powerful thing about that is now, whenever people are using this specific link, and I'm going to show you how to create it, it actually force subscribes people so that they don't have to now spend time browsing your channel, watch a couple videos, and then decide whether or not they actually want to subscribe to you. They're prompted to subscribe before they even get to your page. You can see here the same thing on any of my social media guides. This is my guide showing agents, again, how to scale their business using social media. If you come down here to subscribe on YouTube, let's look and see what happens. At the end of the day, again, they're prompted to subscribe. So the powerful thing is making sure that the links and the way you're driving traffic to is optimized to force the subscription, so that whenever people are finding a link to your channel anywhere, they're prompted to subscribe before they actually get to your channel. Now, how do you create this link? I'm gonna put it on the screen right now, and it's this little block of text that you need to put at the end of your YouTube channel. So you can see here, if we come over to Linktree and come down here, you can see that the path to my real estate channel is actually this right here. But I added this text at the end of it, and now whenever people click on this link, it's going to auto force subscribe to them. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. If we were to just take this component of the link and toss it in here, it's going to take you directly to my channel, and that's it. Okay, so you're going to get taken right here. Now, if we take the whole link, let's look and see what happens. Now you're going to see that it's going to ask you for the forced subscription, and there you go. So just by embedding that in your email signature, in your social media links, in your lead magnets, in your courses, in anything that you're doing, by adding that little bit of text at the end, it is going to make all the difference. So hopefully you guys implement this strategy. It's worked with everybody that I've shown it to, and honestly, not many people know about it that I've found to date. So hopefully you found this valuable. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.